Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Eclipse IDE. So now to install Eclipse IDE, first you need to go to your favorite browser and in this bar you need to just simply search with Eclipse IDE download and hit enter. And this will show you this Eclipse download, the Eclipse Foundation link, and to open that link and it's going to redirect to the official site of Eclipse Foundation. So this is our official site of Eclipse Foundation. This link I'm going to put right in our description. So you can directly use that link to land over to this official site of Eclipse. And here when you scroll down, you'll be able to see this download button, right? So this is what we need to click. So when you click on that, it's going to redirect to this page. So here again you can see that same download button. So just simply click on the download button and it will show you thank you for your download, and our download will rightly begin over here. So you can see it will take a couple of minutes. So after that I am going to run back to this video. So you can see that our Eclipse IDE is rightly downloaded over here. So you have to just simply click on the installer and you can minimize your browser now, and there you go. You can see Eclipse installer is rightly open. So welcome to Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So here you can see that it is available for Java, Eclipse IDE for C or C++, then PHP and all these different languages, right? You can see clearly if I scroll down. So from here you can use it for PHP or C++, alright. So that also you can do. You just simply proceed with these links in that case. But for Java, which is what I am going to show you on this video, so for Java, you need to click on this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And when you click on that, it's going to show you this page. So here you can see that it is properly recognized the Java JDK 21, which I have installed on my previous videos. So that link also in the description. So that Java JDK 21, which is the latest version, so whatever I have installed there is properly recognized over here. That is in our C program files Java JDK 21. Alright. So you need to follow that video to install Java. Even if you are not following, that is also fine. So Eclipse has provided you these two options. You can see when you click on this drop down, you'll be able to see these two options, right? GRE 21 and GRE 17. Alright. So from here also you need to just simply select, and you can see that is rightly selected, and it's going to fetch the files from internet and it's going to install it locally on your system. So by that also you can install Java. Since I have already Java installed, so I'm going to just simply point to this path and I'm going to check all these options and I'm going to click on install. So when you click on install, it's going to show you this license agreement. You can always read this license agreement, and then you can just simply click on accept now, and you can see our installation is rightly began. So this will take some time, about a couple of minutes. So once we are done with installing our Eclipse, I'm going to again back to this video. So welcome back, and now you can clearly see that our Eclipse IDE is rightly installed and our this big launch button is also enabled. So what you need to do is you need to click on this launch button, so that will going to start launching our Eclipse IDE version 2023-12. So this is the latest version when we are installing on January of 2024. So probably when you will be installing, probably it will be version 2024-03 probably, right? Or it could be 06. Doesn't matter. The process that I am going to show you on this video will be pretty much same that time as well. If you see there is any difference, then probably I'll be making another video on that as well. So you don't need to worry, right? As long as you are just simply following all the steps that I am doing, it will be fine, right? And here you can see that our Eclipse IDE launcher is rightly open. So this is going to be our Eclipse workspace. So all our projects, whatever we are going to create, will be present on this Eclipse workspace directory, right? So everything is fine. Just simply click on this launch button, and what it's going to do is it's going to start launching our Eclipse IDE. And you can see that our Eclipse IDE is rightly opened over here. So let's maximize this. So this is the interface of our Eclipse IDE. You can always close this and it will also going to redirect to the browser telling about Eclipse Foundation page. So here they have developed a very good IDE. You can always support them if you want. All right, I'll just simply minimize this now, and here is our welcome note. So let's close our welcome note, and I'll quickly show you how to create new project. So from here also you can create and click on this create a Java project. It will open this window, or else you can also go to file and click on this new and then Java project. So that will also open the same window. So here you need to provide a project name. So let's give the project name as Hello World Java. Right, and you can see that the latest version of Java, that is Java 21, whatever you have installed, is also selected over here. All right, and that is our JDK 21. And I'm going to uncheck this module part, so you don't need to create any module. It will be just a simple Hello World Java program, so there is no need to create a module. And project location is Hello World Java. All right, so everything is fine. So now just simply click on finish. So that will going to create our Hello World Java project. So you can see it is rightly created. You can expand this. So here is our src folder. You need to right click and you need to hover over this new, and then you need to click on this class. So when you click on class, it's going to show you again this window. So here you need to give a class name. So let's give the class name as Hello World. Right, and this is going to be our main method. So public static void main, when you check that, it automatically going to provide you main method. So that's why you are selecting, and it will be a public and access modifier of this class will be public. All right, so that's fine, everything is fine. Just simply click on finish, and you can see our class is properly created over here. Soon it's going to be launched, and there you go. Can see that our Hello World class is properly opened along with our main method. So here if you just simply type system.out.println, so this one, and if you just simply within double quote just simply give Hello World, and all you need to do is you need to first click on this icon to save whatever you have written, and then you need to click on this run button. It's going to start building our project, and soon you're going to see the output Hello World on your screen. Right, whatever you have given will properly show you over here as an output. So similarly, you can start whatever assignments that probably have got from your school or college. So you can immediately start writing all those assignments within our Eclipse IDE. And if you face any issues, you can always put a comment in our comment sections, and I am always there to help you. And also if you are stuck in some of your assignment, you can always comment, and I'll try my best to make videos on those assignments as well. So yeah, that's basically all about this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. That will really help me to make more such videos. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.